Welcome to KidloLand, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Drag a 2D shape. Perfect. Drag a 2D shape. Very good. Great job. Drag a 3D shape. Yay! Drag a 2D shape. Good answer! Cool! Drag a 3D shape. Drag a 2D shape. Fantastic! Good job!